Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change your planner and how to use it and how to customize it to your needs. So without further ado, let's get started, and we're going to start with the mood board. So all of these, you can click on them and then you can move them wherever you want. Now this is not ideal for the images, that's why we have a separate mood board here to make it easier. So I would just click on it on this drawing, and then I can add images just like that. So I just choose an image and add it. I can search for the images as well, which is even easier. So I would say chicken. Just let's look for chicken. And okay, this is horrible. Maybe something avocado toast, something nicer. So we're just gonna look for healthy food ideas, for example. And so I would choose this one, choose select, and then it will appear wherever I want it. Then I can just click on it, drag it, turn it, whatever. And it's gonna go on top of this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click on it, copy, cut it, and then paste it again. For me, this is the easiest to change that. And then after that, I would just save and close, and that would be my mood board. And sometimes it makes it bigger, so then I just click on it and choose this square thingy and I make it smaller. So this is our new mood board. Sorry, mood board. And then I'm gonna go to the breakfast page. So these are all the images that you can change. You can add whichever image you want. So I would just go ahead and go to Pexels or Google. If you're not gonna post this on Instagram, then you can easily go to Google and just choose any image. I'm gonna try chicken again, but I mean, okay, maybe chicken salad. Yeah, so here we have some salads that we can post, and I can just choose the ones I like. I will download the image, and then I'm gonna go back to my planner. And then what you need to do now is you have to click on the cell, click insert, and then go ahead and choose image. And then the important part is that you choose insert image in cell. Once you do that, you just drag the image and you're done. Or you have an error and you're not done. Okay, I don't know why this error occurred, but just in case it does for you as well, which it won't, but it might, I'm gonna make a screenshot of this image. So I'm just gonna make a screenshot. If you're on Mac, it's really easy. You just click Shift Command and F4. If you're not, I'm sure you know how to make a screenshot. If you don't, just send me a message. I will tell you how. Okay, so now we click browse and we go to recents and we choose the screenshot and click enter, and now it's gonna upload it. Sometimes maybe if the photo is too big, it might not upload it. And also if, for example, well, yeah, also if you want, you can upload it from your phone. Now as you can see, because the image was not a square, it uploaded like this. So I'm just gonna do a square this time, and I'm also gonna show you how to do it. Another thing, so we can do this grid on Canva as well. So I'm gonna do this and this, and I'm gonna choose this size. So it's 3240 and then 3240, and then I just choose the size and I can create a grid over here. So what I'm gonna do, which this is the method I prefer, especially if you plan your social media and stuff like that, and it's easier. It's a little bit interesting here because I don't see the, okay, I don't see it. Okay, I'll move myself, sorry guys. And here we need this part. Sorry, it's in Spanish, it's gonna be in your language, I promise. This is a completely free program. It's called Canva. You probably know it already. So we go ahead and go choose the squares. So I could choose this, but I'm gonna choose the one that has all the squares. Okay, I know it's here. It's here. Have patience with me. Thank you. Where are you, squares? It's always in the least comfortable place, but I will put a link to it so you don't have to do this. So here we go. We have a template. And then I'm gonna choose the spacing. Again, it's gonna be in your language. But yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so now we can add some images, or we can choose some images from here. So I'm just gonna search maybe healthy food. Let's do healthy and let's do photos. So now I can just drag it like this. Now these ones are paid, but these ones are free. Also, don't worry about the, well, yeah, if you, okay, this account, it's not, I don't have Canva Pro, so now you can see everything you could do without Canva Pro. I have a different account for that. Anyways, so you just drag, and drop. And as you can see, I have quite a few images that I can add. Also, you can download the images from Pexels and then upload them here, and then you will definitely not have that problem that we had before in this video where they didn't want to let me do it. So that's kind of useful to know. Okay, what else can I upload? Maybe oatmeal? I mean, I have the best ideas right now. But yeah, I like to post oatmeal. It looks nice. Okay, I want to move myself again. Bye. Okay, so now I have this. I can title it. I don't care. I'm gonna download it. And what we're gonna do is I want to do photo splitter. I use Pine Tools, but you can use something else. I'll choose the image that I've downloaded. Is it done? Are you done? So yeah, I just choose the image that I download, which is still downloading. Great. While I'm waiting, okay, I'm not done waiting. Now I can make it both, so it cuts it as both grid and horizontal and vertical and everything. So I choose both 3 and 3, and then I click split image. Super easy. Then I download this zip file. I wait and wait and wait. Okay, it's not actually, I'm not waiting that long, but I'm just worried that you're waiting too long. Okay, I clicked twice. I downloaded it. I have it. So now I can just upload this to my meal planner, and it's gonna have a nice square. Now, another technique that I like to use for this is I use Option/NI. So Option plus slash, and then I will type in I, and I will choose for insert image in cell. I like this because I can just use my keyboard and it's a lot faster. And now I can browse. I can go to my Pine Tools, and so you can see all my files, which is great. And so I have this image here. Now, the idea of this part of planning is that you just choose food that you like, and then it puts everything in your visual planner. So as soon as I change this image over here in breakfast, it changes my plan here. So these are all automatically uploaded from your lunch, dinner, and breakfast menu ideas. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can always just upload the image here, no problem. But for me, it's nice to have all of these ideas ready for me because I am so horrible at staying healthy and eating healthy food. So this really helps. And then you can just choose if you actually use the recipe or not. And you can also change the days if you want to start from Sunday, for example. So, and also I think this is super useful to find out, okay, did I like this or not? So yeah, that's what you would do. So this is just a sheet for you to use for your visual planning. However, you have a recipes sheet where you can add your recipe and you can add the ingredient. As soon as I change this ingredient here, so let's say tomatoes, for no reason, I don't know why, my shopping list changes. So I have tomatoes in the product. And then if I want to have like a more dense shopping list that I can use on my phone, I mean, you can use everything on your phone, but you know, just easier for you. Then I just click over here and it appears here. So it also automatically appears, which is super nice. So yeah, so here I changed the ingredient in my recipes. However, to make it easier, you can also change it here, and it's gonna change it here, but then it's not gonna change it here. So so yeah, so if you want, you can change them over here, or you can change them here. So I'm just gonna go back and leave everything as normal. So yeah, if you have questions about this part, please message me, because I'm so happy to answer all of your questions and I really want to help you out. So you can also choose a category. So for example, okay, I deleted it, but let's put the tomatoes back. Let's put the tomatoes. And so I have my tomatoes here, and it's not seafood, it's is it a fruit or vegetable? Okay, great. Anyways, I can just choose the category here. And the reason I have this category, because then I can sort them, so by the name. So then it's easier. So when I'm in a store, I can, let's say I have a cucumber as well. No, I need a fruit, strawberry. Really interesting. I don't know if I wrote it right. I feel like I wrote it wrong. Anyways. So I have it here, and then I will choose fruit. And so now I can filter them. And now, not like that. Yeah. Anyways, I have them together. So then when I'm in the store, I can go to a specific section of the store and buy all of them together. I don't have to think that much. And for the categories, you really can choose whichever category you want. So you don't have to follow these categories. And we have the recipes here. So this is just a photo that I uploaded. And then this is just a clip that I used from the mood board. So to use any of these clips, I just copy and I paste it wherever I want. So it's really, really useful. And now for ingredients, you can just go sweet and sour chicken, not free image, that's not what I care. I need a recipe. Okay, recipe, not a sorry guys. Okay, so I have my recipe, and then I can just go to a recipe that I want. You can post a screenshot if that's easier for you, or you can add the ingredients. So you just go to the back, you copy whatever you want, and then once you paste, you can choose paste special and paste values only, so then the formatting is not all weird. So that's just a little tip for you. Yeah, to delete some of the sheets or some things that you want to delete, you just click on it and you click delete column. To insert, you will do insert column right. To hide something, you will choose again and you will hide the column. I hope that this is helpful. Again, if you have questions. And we also have a goal tracker. So for me, I'm trying to keep a no sugar diet, which is proving to be difficult. And once I do, so I click on it and I add the check. So then my percentage changes. So I kind of follow if I'm following it through. And you can add more days if you want. So let's say I want to add 3 days. I will just select 3. I will add columns on the right. And now my percentage will change, so it's gonna be harder. The only thing is if you do this, what you need to do is you need to change these numbers. So it was M. It was M4, and as you can see, it's not M4 anymore. So what I would do, I would just delete this, and I would just select the thing, and then I would copy this and paste it over there. Don't be scared of these numbers. It's really not that hard, and it shows you literally where to go. So as soon as you select it, it's gonna show you what you need to select. Okay, I hope this is helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.